Alright, so I thought I'd explain the hard-boiled egg real quick. If you do them while they're... I do them right off the stove, but if you do them, you flash them in cold water, which is why I have this ice pack sitting there. And then you want to do is you want to get underneath, there's like that film just underneath the shell. Get into that, and the whole thing will just fall right off. And then I always keep them cold in some nice cool water, so I'm ready to use them. Really close. Probably a couple minutes. You just want to make sure that they poke clean. But they're still kind of sticking on the fork, the skewer, so really close. Alright, getting this potato salad wrapped up. I just moved it into a shallow casserole dish, so they're nice and flat. They cool down much quicker. I was actually just watching Really Big Monkey One's really newest video. It's almost becoming its own video, but a little trick I do with eggs is I only cut them twice, because they're going to pretty much disintegrate anyway. Cut it in half. Just throw it right in the salad. Of course, you got to add seasonings. So, pretty much the same seasonings I use a lot. A little bit of salt. Oop, mine got a little too much salt. Add just a little bit of garlic. Add a little bit of Slap Your Mama White, because it was the first thing I saw when I opened the thing. And a little bit of paprika. Alright, we also have two final ingredients. Some mayo or some mustard, and some mayo. Now if you're wondering, well, where's the celery, where's the onion, where's the celery, where's the other stuff? I'm like, I don't put that stuff much to the salad. I only want my potato salad to taste like potatoes and eggs. I don't want any of that other gunk in there. I think it detracts from the flavor of potato salad, personally. Sweet. There's only one taste left. That is the taste test. Oh yeah. Alright, greetings one and all. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I made a side. I think I might have filmed a little too much of that, but you know, what are you gonna do? It just sounded really good. Made some potato salad the way I like to eat it. I'm gonna be doing a meatloaf sandwich. I actually made the meatloaf already, which I will put up, which I'll link in the description and also the end card if you missed it. Maybe I'm kind of crowded in the end card, but I might at least link it below. So maybe doing some leftover meatloaf and do a sandwich. So I'm gonna get busy cooking dinner because I'm actually quite hungry. All right, so I made a little bit of an error. I had some I made meatloaf, so I put mushrooms in it. But then I also bought mushrooms thinking I'd put them on the sandwich. It's a good thing I like. It's a good thing I actually really like mushrooms. So I'm gonna saute some mushrooms up once I pick out all this paper or all this skin from the mushroom or garlic. Pan going here. Put my mushrooms in. Putting them in first and the garlic in about halfway through because garlic can actually burn. And burned garlic is no bueno. Get that chopped up. So I got my big skillet back here, which I'm going to put a little bit of oil in. Also, I'm going to spread it around because where the meatloaf's going to go. Oh, I need to turn my oven on. Broil. Got my leftover meatloaf. Make sure I stir my mushrooms so they don't put it off onto a plate. Put that right in the pan. Right. Go ahead and throw my garlic in. Heat down. Oh man, that garlic smell is just unbelievable. Alright, got my oven on broil, so I get my buns in here. Get them toasted. There we go. I'm going to be careful as I flip these so they don't break apart on me. Now, it's supposed to be grilled this month, but I don't actually have an outdoor grill, so I feel like my options are a little bit limited. It's because of condo rules where I smelled something burning. I thought it was my buns. Anyway, I was saying that we're not allowed to have grills because I planned on buying a Weber for out front or out back, and I couldn't because of the HOA rules. So, boo. You gotta watch these like a hawk. Otherwise, they'll burn in an instant. I just realized I was gonna make some crispy bacon to go along with this, and I totally forgot. Damn it. I guess you could argue this is more cast iron reheating, but not so much cooking. Let's see what those buns are doing. Very slow on the... Oh, where's my oven mitt? There we go. Okay. So my meatloaf's still going. Mushrooms are ready. Buns are kind of small for the meatloaf, I guess, but you know, whatever. I guess it'll be a very stacked. God, I can't believe I forgot the bacon. Bacon would have been next to amazing in this. I don't know. Do a nice, careful flip. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the pan off. So those are pretty much done, I guess. Let's get these on the buns. Yeah, these are gonna be really thick, but yeah, whatever. And these mushrooms on. Well, mushrooms and garlic. Come on. I feel like it's taking too long to get on here. Okay. And what I've got here. Oh, perfect. I got exactly 4 slices of Swiss cheese. Throw that in the oven on broil. I'm going to melt the whole thing. Alright. Let's take a look. Oh, there we go. So let's put one of these together. Is that a bottom bun or is that a... No, that was a bottom bun. Well, whatever. It's all going to the same place. It'll just look a little weird. Alright, one more look. I got the little potato salad and my meatloaf sandwich. I'm kind of laughing still at the 2 bottom buns, but, you know, things happen. Alrighty. Camera's just being uncooperative. Potato salad. Simplicity at its finest. Get my meatloaf sandwich. Oh, you know what? I also forgot I was gonna put a little barbecue sauce on it. Man, forgetful today. Man, I tell you what, for leftovers, it's really good. I got that, the mushrooms, the Swiss cheese, the garlic. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. I'll catch you guys next week. Alright, well, clean plate. but I'm pretty stuffed. Probably should have stuck to the one sandwich, but to each their own. Yeah, it was good though. You know, I didn't really cook much in this. I mean, I did boil potatoes and eggs, but that was just for the side. That's all right though. You know, it was tasty. Showing something you could do with some leftovers. So, yeah. Have a good night. Good night. Well, it's evening here, but have a good day. We'll catch you in the next one, and don't forget to check the end card, which should be popping up about now, for links for Cast Iron Wednesday, Shovelhead 8, and then last week's video. And then if you're not subbed, and like the video if you would, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.